Hello guys, welcome to the Epic Airguns stand from IWA 2024. So let's show us our Epic 2 model first. Epic 2 is fully modular platform which you can build from the main body. You can choose your own stock, type of stock. It can be foldable with a very secure lock for the stock. The knob is very solid, yeah. There is no movements inside. You can check it personally there. We offer many accessories, different cheek piece. The classic one is the plastic one. Then we offer a lot of laminates from Mr. Klinsky in different type of colors. Also the butt pad and the back rider. The tactical stock is fully adjustable. You can reach your cheek piece up to 28 millimeters. Also the butt pad can be adjusted. You can also buy from this side, you can see the monopod for the rifle. It will help for comfortable shooting, and also the adjustable back rider, the best option for bench rest shooting. We offered Epic 2 in 3 length of the barrels. We use CZ barrels, non-choked or Walter polygonal barrels. To change caliber, it's very easy. You just have to unscrew the barrel, change the transfer port, which is held by one screw inside, and change the pellet probe. It takes about 4 minutes to exchange the caliber or length of the barrel. You can also choose from the 3 size of air tanks and plenum size. We have compact with the 70cc plenum and the compact air tank. I will show you. This is the compact version. When it's folded, it's like 54 centimeters long, ideal to backpack. Then we have the medium size with the 550 barrels, and then the 700 millimeter barrels. You can also choose the classic air tank or the carbon fiber bottle. We have 300cc or 580cc versions. Next month we will also offer a 700cc bottle for our rifles. Inside the rifles we use our special balance valve system, which can be adjusted by the customer. We set it into the full power. You can increase or decrease how much the valves will open. We use the air after the shots to close the valve, so we are saving the air consumption, and we are able to achieve very high energy with this valve. Right now we are using jets inside with the diameter of 0.8 millimeter for the standard. And if anyone want to increase even the power, right now with the classic jet you are able to achieve 155 joules in 25 caliber. But with the jet 0.6 you are able to achieve like 10 more joules for our rifles. So you can even increase the energy through that. For the UK market or for the markets where there is a limit of energy, you can screw it inside, so the valve will not open so much, and you will save, for example, like 50% of air consumption. So it's also very good choice for the low power energy markets. Yeah. In the basic, when you order the classic air tank, you will get it with the Arca Swiss rail, which is on the short rifle. I will show you later. The carbon fiber bottle can be bought just with the short Picatinny rail from the bottom side, or with the extended Arca Swiss rail, as you can see here. I highly recommend to use the extended Arca Swiss, which is like the cover for the bottle, and you are able to mount many accessories like the different weights, and it's ideal for PRS or bench rest shooting also. I will show you the version with the classic air tank. All rifle with classic air tanks comes already with fit a classic Arca Swiss. It's shorter, but as you can see over there, we have prototyped a longer Arca Swiss rail for the classic air tube, because many sports shooters ask for that. So you can also mount the weights here, and it's longer than the classic one.